Okay, so here is the updates for the Chris Shepherd. As I said, there's a photo that I already have for the banner. Let's go with this photo. Just the house in the front, and they have this shaking hands. If you want, you can make this banner smaller, and it can be maybe white, and photo doesn't have to be all all size of the banner. It can be similar to what they have if you want. That's not a problem. Basically, when you add the photo, please have the white banner so this can be more visible. So it can be clear white banner. Then the photo will be. This is good. Let's keep it this way. Now, after this, we should have, if you can take it from here, this, all of this, I think you will be able to copy it and paste it there in a section and create a button to request an offer to go to the contact. And then after that, we have solutions just from here. So solutions will be here to here. And then it will go to his bio. And after that, I don't think we need after that, we can have call or email us to get your free no obligation cash offer. We can go with this one or not. Don't go with this one. Just go with these two. So let's have this and this along with his bio. And then we will see how it's going to turn out. So basically that should be the, let me just check, 9497005. Yes, please add his number, which is this one. It's the same number for his cell phone and the website. How it works. This is the page where you have to add into how it works, and our guarantee should also be here. And the about us, you can take it, the bio from here and add it here and also in the about as well. So those are, you can take anything from this website because it's the same one, same guy, same website. Okay, thank you.